I will give it to you. But before that, I will ask you a question. Do you have a friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your friend?
They.
Wow! Because our activity today is called Hold Me, My Friend.
Hold my friend.
The mechanics of our game is imagine there are rivers between you and your friend. Your goal is to hold your friend's hand and at the edge of the river you will meet. Do you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, our mechanic is first you need to find a partner or a friend. And then you will stand up at the other edge of the river. But to make it quiz, you will hold your friend's hand and you will follow the pattern of the river. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
But for that, I will ask teacher Edimar to demonstrate it with me. Teacher Edimar, come here. So we have the pattern of the river here. Me will place in here and Sir Edimar will move there at the other side. So we will hold our hands together and then we will follow the pattern like this. Like this. Do you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you ready to play?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please stand up, and group yourselves into 4. Find your partner. Okay. Please avoid pushing your partner and the other children beside you, okay? Be careful because the floor is slippery. It will do like one by one, guys, okay? So it will move first, the first in front, and then followed by the second at the back. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
More